all they know about me is that day I was inducted, the day I left the United States, the day I arrived at Southampton, and everything was blamed until August 45. But I served in the 9th Air Force in Saint Nazaire, France, which was the largest airport in France before Germany tore it up, rebuilt it, we tore it up.
First of all, I want to thank all of you with Quilts of Honor for doing what you do. A lot of time we get recognition for our service, but oftentimes those who supported us don't, whether that's a spouse or organizations like this. So I thank you for all the time and effort that you put into this. It really means a lot to us.
Also want to thank Quilts of Honor for all you do. I'll be brief. I was in the Navy for 20 years. I was a surface warfare officer. I was all over the place, Mediterranean, then all over the world.
Quilts, and I think we'll appreciate it in years to come. Thank you.
From St. Joe, a little farm boy that went to Great Lakes and saw the biggest pond I'd ever seen up there. There I went to Key West for sonar school, and from there straight to Vietnam. One of my 7 cruises over there. I met my wife after the 5th cruise, and she had to put up with me going over there, and finally retired in '88 off of the USS Enterprise.
Oh.
About it.
Dale was in the Army from 1966 to 67. Get it right side, wrong side.
Beautiful. Thank you, ladies, for what you do. So beautiful. I was in Vietnam for 15 months, helicopter, a gunner. Shot. I shot him 3 times.
Geneva was in the Navy from 2002 to 2013. Almost at 23.
That's beautiful, thank you. I do hate to correct you, but it was actually 2001, which is important to me just because I was supposed to be in boot camp whenever 9/11 happened, and instead, because of administrative issues, I ended up where I was supposed to be going to a DEP meeting that day. So I woke up that morning and saw the news and realized that the journey that I decided to take for my life was ending up being much more important than I had originally planned. I joined as a CTI, Cryptologic Technician Interpretive, so I was a linguist, and I got to help a lot of people with my languages, and I really appreciated my time in the Navy, and I appreciate all of you guys. Thank you guys for being here.
Kendrick. Randy was in the Army from 2002 to 2004.
Specialist, got I orders to go to Iraq, found out I was pregnant,
get this one right side up.
I served for 15 years, went to Germany several times, went to Billboard in Panama, of all places. And that's about it for me.
Alrighty, James was in the Army from 1964 to 1970.
Thank all you ladies for everything you do. I joined the service in California, joined the reserves, and then I got called back into Fort Carson, Colorado. And I got levied out to go to Vietnam on Valentine's Day of 1969. I wasn't there very long. I took shrapnel, and they sent me to Okinawa for 2 weeks. And then I went to Oakland, California, the hospital for 4 months before I ever got out. But one thing I survived, and I feel sorry for all the ones that didn't. Thank you guys all for doing it.
I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Richard and I would like to thank all the veterans who have served their country. Richard's a veteran, and we've had many veterans in our family, and we just wanted to present this to show our appreciation.